In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an expense report in Expensify. Expense reporting can sometimes feel like a daunting task, but with Expensify, it's a streamlined process. So let's dive in and make this as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to the Reports tab within the Expensify app. This is where all the magic begins. The Reports tab is your gateway to creating new reports or reviewing existing ones. If you're new to Expensify, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Understanding the workspace can make the whole process much smoother. Next, you'll click on the Create Report option, and from the drop-down menu, choose Expense Report. This action starts the creation of a new expense report. It's like opening a blank canvas where you'll be able to paint a detailed picture of your expenditures. Being precise here sets a strong foundation for what you'll be submitting for approval. Upon opening the draft report, you'll see an option to Add Expenses. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you gather all the pieces of your spending story. You'll be presented with a list of unreported expenses. Here's a little tip. If you have a lot of expenses, using the filters can help you sort and identify the specific ones you're looking to report quicker. Once you've selected the appropriate expenses, click Add to Report. This step ensures all relevant expenses are captured and accounted for in your report. Now that your expenses are all collected and organized in the report, it's time to move forward and click the Submit button. This is an important step as it officially prepares your report for review. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person who will approve your report. Make sure you double-check this address to avoid any submission mishaps. This is also where you can add any optional notes. Adding notes can provide context or explanations for certain expenses, which can be particularly helpful for the approver, especially if some expenses might need justification. Finally, with everything set up, you're ready to click Send to submit the report for approval. And just like that, you've navigated through the entire process of creating and submitting an expense report in Expensify. By understanding each of these steps and utilizing some thoughtful care in gathering and submitting your expenses, you're well on your way to mastering expense reports. Remember, organization is key, and with practice, you'll become even more efficient at this process. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.